Hey guys, it's 𝗏𝗏 back with another video. Today I wanted to talk about some updates that happened to my NitroType leaderboards on Google Sheets. So basically I just wanted to show some updates and stuff that I've been working on. If you guys want to check this out, it will be in the description. But basically, of course, we have the season leaderboards which display the top racers of the season along with last race so that you can know, hey, I'm going to catch up to this person, they haven't been racing, and stuff like that. If you want to be added into the database, just click this form and I try to sort through to see if you're active and stuff. I can't have everyone, but I try to have as most people as possible. So the first thing I'm going to say is I added this a little while ago. It's the most viewed accounts this season, top 10. So this goes by profile views. I'm still editing, so this is in beta version, but just I think it looks pretty cool, and I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Basically I'm going to be going over a ton of new things. In the comments, make sure to tell me which one's your favorite. And yeah, so basically we're going to move on to the King of the Race congrats. So basically, once someone gets a King of the Race car, it's going to display their name and congrats on how many races along with the car. So this was a really cool feature to add. It just gives a shout out to anyone who recently got this, and it basically stays on there for about, I'd say, I mean, it depends on the car. Like this car, since Billy33 got it, I'm probably gonna have it up for a week, but it's automatic, so it just depends. But yeah, that goes all the way down to the 1K car. So that's on season racers. You can also see how many teams are in my database. It's basically 64 teams and 3,208 players. Again, this fluctuates a lot. There's a lot of updates on that. You can also see the online data. So right now there's 284 people who have raced in the past 30 minutes. And let's move on to 24-hour racers. All right, so this one took me a really long time to make perfectly. This resets every morning at 7:30 a.m. Eastern time. You can check the yesterday's stats here, which is scrolling over. So this is yesterday's top 10 with the points, races, all that good stuff. It has the last updated. Basically, here's how it works. All right, so I have this spreadsheet right here. As you can see, I'm only going to be logging the top 500 people for the season. So basically every single day at 7:30, it automatically copies and pastes it right there. So basically then it subtracts your races and it basically and points and shows how many stuff and what your stats is. But let's say this purple racer down here gets into the top 500. Now they weren't here to begin with, so they're going to get deleted over here and moved right here. As you can see right here, it's not equal. So they are not going to be on the 24-hour leaderboards for that day. Now, the next day, when it resets at 7:30 a.m. Eastern time, it's going to be copied again. Remember, top 500 season racer, and it's going to be equal. So if you don't see your name on here, just wait. It is just because once the data was copied, your username was not there. I get a lot of questions like that in the comments, so I just want to tell you guys there. Hopefully this makes sense. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comments. All right, now I know a lot of people know about this top 300 7-day leaderboard. This is my database, so it only goes by teams. You can search all your stuff right there, and it's pretty cool. And then we have popular cars. Now this is most commonly used cars. I have the top 15 displayed right now. I think that's really cool, along with the titles. This stuff was old, but some new stuff is the season cars, and that shows how many season cars are equipped. And then we have the claimed season cars, which this is really cool. As you can see, if it has a gold image, that means it is a gold bonus reward. So right now in my database, 884 people have claimed this car, and it went up 16 today. So again, this daily marker also gets reset every day at 7:30. And as you can see, there have been 109 people who have claimed this car today. Basically went to rank 2, I believe. So anyways, that's really cool. That's under popular cars. then we have the item shops. We have the daily with the name, the weekly with the name, and how many people have equipped it. So that's really cool to see the daily shop cars, and you can also find it on here. And that brings us to the top teams and racers. All right, so this is like the bigger teams and racers. I have some other stuff right here. This is top teams, so this is nothing new except I just changed the data to my database. But the top racers still is disruptions, since most of the top people, they're on teams, some of them aren't on teams, so I just stuck with them. So anyways, that's not new, but let's go to the season, 7-day and 24-hour teams. So this is the season teams, pretty self-explanatory, along with the 7-day teams. I know this displays, but I might as well show it. And then we have the 24-hour teams, which took me a while to make, but I did, so it's pretty epic. Updates every 30 minutes. So if you're in the database, which by the way, this is basically all my teams who are in the database. I have around 60, so if you're wondering and you don't see your team displayed, then just fill out the form. Basically, it goes by team and races. I can't get points, so I'm just going to go off races. And that leads us to the last page, which is Hall of Fame. The most cash leaderboard has been added. This is not automatic. You have to manually do it. So I have the last updated. So basically, I updated it today. This person updated a really long time ago, so that's not necessarily right. Basically, yeah, there's just a form right here that you click and make sure to update it once in a while. You guys can go check that out by yourself. But anyways, that's basically it. I also have a new thing that I'm doing. I'm trying to put the leaderboards on a Google site. So I've been working on that. I currently just have the season leaderboard right now, but I'm planning on to just create that and stuff like that. So if I like find time to add all the other leaderboards on, I will, but that's just maybe a future project. It's really cool. Basically the same thing, but it's just more organized and doesn't have all those things. And you can also just click around. Anyways, I believe that's it. We covered a lot of stuff today. Again, this will be in the description, and it's really cool. You can see how many people are viewing it and stuff like that. And again, if you want to be added, you have to be on a team, because I go off team databases. Fill out the form there, and basically that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions in the comments, make sure to tell them to me. Tell me which one was your favorite. Which leaderboard do you view the most? I really want to know so I can improve them. And anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.